Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and I have a reject shop haul for you today. If you've been following me in my Vlogmas videos, you will see on day 8 we went to Taree and did a bit of shopping there. We went to the reject shop, Big W, and we went to a couple of variety stores as well. So I'm gonna do a separate haul on each of those shops, mainly because we did buy quite a few things and I just don't want the video to go on forever. So today I am showing you all the stuff we bought from the reject shop. So yeah, let's just jump straight in. So first of all, I got a couple of gift boxes. Now, I originally bought these in mind to put a couple of candles in. I bought a couple of those Sexy Man candles from Kmart, and I had in mind to put them in these, and they were $4 each. Next, I bought a pack of little Christmas cards. They were $3, and there's 10 Christmas cards in there. So that's that. Next, I bought a couple of packets of these candy canes, and they're like Christmas tree ornament candy canes, but I actually bought them with in mind to use on my little vignettes. As you know, I'm obsessed with my vignettes, and I'll be having my big galvanized tiered tray set up next year, so I'm definitely going to be needing a few ornaments to fill that up. And I thought these are just such a perfect, cute little size for that. So I got 2 packets of those for $2.50 each. Next, I found these cute little, they're called hanging stags, so hanging reindeer heads. They were $3, as you can see there. And again, I just like them just for the fact that they're nice and white and simple, and they'll just be perfect again for my vignette. So most of these decorations will probably go up next year rather than this year, because I've pretty much already got my whole setup done this year. This little Santa guy, he's got like some floppy legs. He also is just a little figurine that I bought to put on my vignette for next year. He was $3. I bought 4 of these little bell, they're actually door hangers. Let me just untwist it all. They're actually a door hanger. They're only $3 each, but I actually bought them to put on the back of our dining chairs. I wasn't going to put any decoration on the back of our dining chairs, but I just saw these and I just thought they're quite like just nice and understated, so I might just attach those to the back of our dining chairs this year and just see what they look like. Also from the reject shop, I bought a couple of candles. Now these I actually bought for Jessie's room, and mainly just because I just love the colors. Like it just reminds me of her like tie-dyed curtains, and I just thought it would all tie in quite nicely. Not that she really burns candles in her room, but I just thought they'd make a nice decoration in her room, so I got those. And the big one was $5 and the small one was $2.50. I also picked up another candle. Now, I mean, purple's not usually my color for candles, but it was just such a nice smelling scent. This one's called Mindfulness Scented Candle. Yeah, really nice smelling candle. I can't remember how much that one was. I'm assuming around $2.50 since it's around about the same size as that one. Next, I picked up these 3 little critters. They were only $3 each. I think they're like a candy dispenser. That's what it says on the tag. I have no idea what kind of candies they go in them, but Jamie likes anything to do with Star Wars, so I just thought I'll buy those as a little collector's thing that he can just display. I think it's like maybe a Pez, almost like a Pez type candy maybe. So for $3. Can't go wrong. Next, I picked up one of these. Well, actually, Jessie picked up this one. It was something that she wanted for her phone. It's just like a multi-plug for her iPhone. I think she's got an iPhone 7. And yeah, I think there's one for the phone, one for the, I think she's got like a, what has she got that charges? Oh, her actual charger. And then one for the iPod. She's got a little iPod, so I think that all like connects to the computer via USB, and so it will charge all 3 devices at once. And last but not least, I picked up 2 of these little bikes. I've already got an orange one. You may have seen that displayed on my office nook, and I think I may have had it on my little shelf at Halloween because it was orange. I just sort of had it out at Halloween. But I also found like a little red one and a little green one, which I absolutely love them. I really, really love them. And I know one of my subscribers says she collects bikes as well, but I just can't remember if she was in Australia or not. So if it's you that collects the bikes and you are in Australia, the Reject Shop's got a heap of different designs. Like they had a black one, they had quite a few different ones, but these are just the other 2 that I really liked. So they're just mainly for just regular decor that I'll be putting around the house, and they were $8 each. I just think they're so cute. So yeah, that's it for my Reject Shop haul. I'm going to be filming my Big W haul straight after this one, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.